was only a matter of time until Salisbury Plain went up in flames. Just about smoking the veil out. Salisbury Plain's on fire. Our cows are just the other side of those trees there. So hopefully it doesn't cross the perimeter road. It's really not been my day these past couple of days. There's 2 dead animals in 24 hours and now the tedder has decided to just disintegrate. This bloody thing is awful. I don't know why it's so bad. But... So what's happened is you've got 3 bolts there, 2 of them are missing. They decided to snap as I went over a little bump. See how it is on that side, 3 and it's straight. So 2 of them are missing, which means this has dog-legged over and it's burst. Because of that, it's burst the pipe, you can see it just hanging there on that ram, which is the fold-up ram. So because this was cocked over at an angle and this side folds up first, that folded up, that went 90 degrees, which meant this side, it was at a 90-degree angle, so it's prevented the other side folding up. So I had to get out and somehow separate those 2, hold them open, whilst reaching through the back window to try and fold it up with no hydraulic pipe on the bottom. To say it was a ball ache would be an understatement. So I'm here with Eli, setting him up on the tedder that I broke, or that broke itself. So I'm now retired from tedding, put someone a bit more steadier on it. He's doing a good job. We insured him this morning on the old tractor licence.
Spot on.
Loving life in you, Eli.
Yeah, that's it. Better than sitting at home, eh, Sam?
And it just wanking yourself silly.
Yeah, no, that's it.
And he's off. This field probably doesn't need tedding because it is pretty much made. But it's a good field for him to start on because the other ones are small and awkward. So he can practice, get his eye in, feel comfortable with the machine. He's comfortable on the tractor. And take it from there then. I'm going raking. So I've left Eli and I've just taken a cut through West Woods. God knows how big it is. I don't know, it's probably 100 acre wood in it or something like that. But there's a handy byway along the outside. No one really uses it. She's fair overgrown, but it saves me a round trip of a few miles. And it ain't too bad. And we're baling on Mark, soaring away. Doesn't make too bad of a row actually. Looks like there's more here than what we once thought. First time in a long time I've been following these. It's on wheels, not track. First day on. It's gone alright to be fair. Started at 10:30, it's now 6 o'clock. This is my 5th load. It's a 2-hour round trip. Seems to be plenty of straw out the back of this combine. Driving past the fields, we've not seen a lot of barley straw about, but there seems to be a good amount out of this, which is surprising because I know there's a bit of green on the tram lines, but it is fairly well dead, and the sun's been hot all day, so usually it smashes it up a tree. The combine's lights are flashing, that means he's 80% full. Let's hop in and run on down there. Tune's blaring. It's like Piccadilly Circus up here. I think Benson's are on, and maybe even Margison. They're all up the road from here. and they're all big farmers. Benson's a very big contractor, so there's tractors flying back and forth, left, right and centre. Well, I should really be straddling this road. Oh well, if he puts his spout out, I'll make the move. If not, we might be going and filling up back up that way. We'll see. Spouts out, off we go. Well, no way am I going to be able to record what I'm filling up. I'll spill it everywhere. There we go. I'll put a bit in the front. And the nice thing about this trailer, because he's not a ginormous bugger, is I can see the back, so I can get it right on the tailgate. And then all I've got to do with the second load is just top up the front and drive off. Away we go. That's him folded away up the next land. Once he gets cut in, I'm gonna have a sandwich, I think. That's why tractor drivers are so fat, because every time we have to wait around, we have a sandwich. We're all parking up. I'm loaded, done. Archie's coming down to park up. Farmer's bringing fish and chips. Strict instructions not to leave the field. Oh yes.